Flight Lieutenant Amy Raynor. I'm one of the deployed meteorologists with 121 Expeditionary Air Wing. I'm currently out in Romania on the enhanced NATO air policing mission. My role out here in Romania is to brief the command team and the aircrew on any weather risks. It's really to make them aware of those so that they can adjust the operations and conduct activities safely and efficiently. So I started my day by looking at the forecast data available, making assessment as to what was going on with the observations, and then building forecast products which I then briefed to aircrew and the command team. So I'm proud to say I'm a sponsored RAF Reservist. So that means that I am a trained defence meteorologist and I work as civil servant at defence bases in the UK within this role. The difference from my role here in Romania is that we get far less forecast data. So it's a lot more challenging because we're having to build the forecast from Met theory rather than from the models. A difference is also that I'm here in uniform and I'm much more integrated in the team, which is an element that I really enjoy about being deployed as a reservist. The best part of my job here is being able to support the mission and see how my forecasts really make a difference to getting the aircraft in the air. I think it's also really rewarding for me when I make weather calls that are quite tricky and seeing those play out. Seeing the impacts for the mission is something that I find really rewarding. At the risk of sounding like a huge Met geek, there's been some absolutely phenomenal thunderstorms. That's been really exciting to see. So that's something that's been really memorable for me.